everyone. We start with news on coronavirus pandemic as the worldwide death toll has crossed 190,000 with over 2.7 million people infected. In the US, more than 3,000 people died in the last 24 hours, bringing the death count to nearly 50,000. Further details in this report.
Scientists across the world are speeding up efforts to study the novel coronavirus in order to develop a vaccine. U.S. government researchers have revealed the virus survives best indoors and in dry conditions. They say COVID-19 loses potency when temperatures and humidity rise, and especially when it is exposed to sunlight. President Donald Trump said the findings should be interpreted cautiously, but predicted people will be eager to leave the house by summer.
To keep America gaining momentum, every citizen needs to maintain the vigilance, and we all understand that very well. We've gone over it many, many times. This includes practicing good hygiene, maintaining social distance, and the voluntary use of face covering.
Governments around the world are cautiously retreating lockdown measures under immense economic pressures. South Africa will partially reopen the economy on May 1st, easing travel restrictions. Meanwhile, over in Asia, Indonesia and the Philippines have extended the lockdowns. Philippines President Rodrigo Duterte says capital Manila will be under restrictions until May 15th. The country has one of the world's strictest community quarantines to curb the coronavirus infections.
If you continue the lawlessness, and it's happening all over the Philippines, maybe I will declare martial law because you rebels are disrupting the help and supplies being given to the people.
In China, the National Health Commission said half of the imported cases in the country have been discharged from hospitals after recovery. Meanwhile, 91 crew of the Italian cruise ship docked in Japan's southwestern port of Nagasaki have been infected with the coronavirus.